Right, Lenscraft is in Dartmouth, State Road. We're currently looking at a junction. Right, at 3 o'clock is the exit out to the main sewer. At 7 o'clock is a tie-in from Subway. We have dye tested to prove that. Just going to take a slow look at that line leaving. Water is running. Store is open, and I am running a sink. There's a tap at this location. Unknown source. It's not Subway. Could be from a mop sink or the lab drain. They are currently working in the lab. Water has been on and off. You can see a majority of scale wrapped up at the bottom of the pipe. The line is flowing. This junction, there is significant sign of wear build up on the sidewalls, which you can see. Some heavy scale. Paper and solids can get trapped in this location, and there's evidence of so. Minimal. Very, very minimal. Pitch is not proper in this location. It is positive 5% uphill climb. 5 degrees, apologize. Coming up, now you can see where she's dropping down to elevation. She comes down to the bottom of the elbow where there's a little bit of negative pitch at the bottom of the elbow. Again, the water is running. We're now in a rest here. Pitch in this location is wonderful. 2%, 1/8 of an inch or better. Tie in here as well. Looks like a sink drain. Paper's getting caught in that location as well. Heavy scale at the edge of the Y fitting. Looks like a 2-inch connection. And then we are at the bottom of the clean out in the cafeteria. I'll flush that toilet, please. You can see significant flow coming by. Want to do me a favor, flush paper as well? That's me. I'm running water. He's going to flush paper. We're going to check out the paper and watch it flow out the gate.
That was one full flush of paper.
You can see the paper slowly making its way by, very slow and sitting at this location. That was one flush, the sinks are running, and paper is resting at the cleanout. Because the sinks are running, we may get this to leave. This cleanout was holding paper when I started the inspection. I believe this cleanout area is the location where it goes uphill to start the process. So right now sinks are running, but that one flush did not move the paper down the line. Because the sinks are running, it's going to begin to flow, and we're going to chase this paper out the door and see how it looks with sinks running. No solids, of course, and if sinks were not running, this would stay there and collect. Heavy scale, heavy debris at the bottom does not help. Minimal pitch at the clean out. Paper is sitting. Paper is still creeping. We're going to see how fast it takes off in a second. I'm not going to assist it with the camera. It's definitely leaving on its own, slowly. Looking at the paper now. It's in the line. You can see it. Now she's taken off. You can see the paper running down the pipe, no problems. Plenty of pitch. Good, no issues here. It's actually gone down the pike. Now the next portion of pipe, which we said there was the elbow with negative pitch. We're going to pop out of the elbow. And again, this is at the connection of subway. See? Okay. That's the end of the inspection.